husband snores bad. You hear that? That's him. Look. "6:55 p.m. and he's sitting on the couch, snoring loud. Listen. With his mouth open. But he will never believe it. So we're gonna videotape him. This is what I go through every day.